Latoya Designs and Decor. So today I am doing a accent wall for my downstairs living room, and I'm so excited about this because this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I just wasn't sure what color pattern or what I wanted to do, but I finally picked out something that's just so nice, so neutral. I can switch up my decor with this accent wall, and it just looks so nice. It gives it so much definition downstairs. It actually separates the room from the living room and the dining room, and I just enjoy walking down there to eat in that section now. My kids love it, I love it, so it's great. And I will link down below exactly where I purchased this wallpaper from. Since we are at home, which I hope that everyone is safe, I use things that I already had at home to make 2 DIYs that I am doing in between this accent wall. And if not, you can always order things offline. Amazon is actually really good, or you can order from Michael's as well. And it's really convenient that way. But yeah, guys, let's get into this DIY because I feel like I'm just talking too much. Oh, and lastly, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you part of my DIY family. I upload weekly. You can not only catch me here, but you can catch me on Instagram at Latoya Designs and Decor and Latoya Home Trends. We can catch all my backstory and everything that I'm doing prior to me featuring my stuff on YouTube. You can catch some more intimate things with my family, some daily things, and some other products that I have in my Insta story. So yeah, you can not only catch me here, but on Instagram as well. And yes, guys, so let's get into this DIY. So guys, I am doing a accent wall for my downstairs in my living room, and I thought this brick heather gray pattern would just be so perfect on my downstairs wall, and it would just bring the wall out even more because it was just such a big wall and it just didn't have any character to it. So I thought this would bring a lot of definition to the wall, including the decor I was going to add afterwards. I'm sorry and excuse me if I started the video with the wallpaper in the middle, but I lost some of my footage in the beginning. But I still have a long way to go, so it's okay. But putting up wallpaper is it looks easy, but it's very difficult because you have to line up paper and make sure where you stop at, you have to pick up on the next paper. And it can be a little difficult, but I kind of got used to doing it, and I just continue to go across the wall with it. And it wasn't as bad, but it kind of was because this is actually a 2-person job, but I just decided to do it by myself, and it took a little bit longer, but that's okay because I got it finished. And also, guys, if you are interested in knowing where I purchased this wallpaper from, I will definitely leave the link down in my description box. And so for the wall decor, I wanted to use things that I already had at home. So I got creative and I used this orange juice container, and I spray painted it white. And I will link down below what spray paint I'm using and also what nautical rope I used and where I purchased it from down in the description box as well. But I spray painted this container twice, and then after I spray painted it, I began to use nautical rope on the handle and on the outside of the container. So guys, if you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you. If you have not subscribed already to my channel, please click that red button. You will get all of my notifications, guys. You can not only catch me here, but on Instagram at Latoya Designs and Decor and Latoya Home Trends. You can get all my backstories in my Insta stories on Instagram. I post weekly on YouTube. You can get all my DIYs that I do, and also, like I say, you can get behind the scenes on Instagram as well. I love to be creative, guys. and I love new ideas. So if you recreate these, please don't hesitate to tag me on IG. I love all comments, guys, especially the ones that are positive. So once again, guys, if you have not subscribed, please don't be afraid to click that red button and you will get all of my notifications because I do them weekly. And so for the next DIY, I used this black 8x10 picture frame, and I took the glass out of it, and I used the remainder nautical rope that I had, and I just made like a pattern going horizontal and vertical from the top to the bottom, and it really made this really unique pattern, like a basket weaving, a weaving basket almost, and it just turned out so perfect on my shelf mantle with the rest of my decor.
stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
So almost completing this wall with the help of my 3-year-old toddler who just had to help me. The wall turned out perfect, guys. I hope you love it. Please like, share, and comment, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.